Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off public activity on your Venmo account. If you think that your activities, which are your transactions, are public by default and you want to change it to private, in this video, let me show you how. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. By default, any of your activity or transactions on Venmo are private. But if you think that they are not private, there is a way that you can check it. So from the Me page on the Venmo, tap on Settings on the top right. From the Settings page, let's head over to Privacy. Now inside of the Privacy settings, you'll have three options: Public, Friends, and Private. As I said, by default, everyone's account is private, but if yours is selected to Public, you can easily tap on the Private option and make all of your activity or transactions private so that the sender and the recipient only will be able to view these transactions. Apart from this, if yours is set to friends, the friends of the recipient or the sender will also be able to view the transactions or the activities. And if yours is set to public, everyone on the internet will be able to view the transactions that you've made on your Venmo account. So to quickly change it, just tap on private, and just like that, all of your transactions and activities will be turned off and made private so that you or the receiver and the sender will only be able to view these transactions. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.